This is the one we got.
Just right now?
What the? No mail.
The mail's outside.
Oh, where the mail is.
Uh-oh, something came in the mail.
I know. Mom!
And see what they are? We have to fill it up.
She got another big box. Yes, it's mine too. Oh! I want the Harry Potter. I win.
Let's go see what we got. What do we got? No rock.
No, it's airlock.
No, stop throwing rocks.
All right, what delivered?
It's just right there.
We got 2. Oh, steak. What's in the box?
A big hammer!
Don't hit your brother with it.
Oh.
We have 6 more.
I thought
Hey, buddy. Do you think these are big enough? Oh.
yeah.
Set, go. Ow! Ow! I got your note. I got your note up me. Ah!